Welcome back, all of you, to our online platform, that is our school's YouTube channel. So again we are ready with today's video. This video is for class 6 and the subject is maths, and we are continuing the same chapter, that is chapter number 7, and the name of the chapter is fractions. Now we are supposed to continue, or we are supposed to start exercise 7.5, and the first question is question number 1, and in question number 1 the diagram is given and we are supposed to add the fractions. Like this the diagram is given. We are supposed to mention the fractions, and some of the parts are shaded here like this, and in this two parts have been shaded. In this the addition, the three parts have been shaded. So the shaded part here is 1, and the total parts are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then plus here the shaded parts are 2 out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and equals to total. Now the shaded parts are 1, 2, 3 out of 5. So what we can conclude from here, these two are like fractions. Why these are like fractions? Because both are having the denominator 5. Now after addition, if we are adding the like fractions, what we have to do, the denominator will be same. We are supposed to add the numerator only. 2 plus 1, that is 3. So like this you are supposed to proceed. Question number 1. Afterwards, two more parts are there. You are supposed to try by yourself, and we will discuss question number 2. And in question number 2 the like fractions are given. We are supposed to add as in question number 1, that is a part 1 upon 18 plus 1 upon 18, and in b part 8 upon 15 plus 3 upon 15. In all the fractions, the fractions are like fractions except g. G is there, in which 1 is given, minus 2 upon 3. and in h one upon 4 plus 0 upon 4. So these are the like fractions. So what we will do, the denominator will be same, that is 18, and what we have to do, we have to add the numerators, that is 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1, 2 upon 18. Here again the numerator is same 15, we have to add the denominator is same 15, we have to add the numerators, add plus 3, that is 11 upon 15. Now here nothing is there as the denominator, so one, recall the question, you can see the question number 4 of exercise 7.4, 5 that is on page number 53. The 1 can be written as 1 upon 1, 2 upon 2, 3 upon 3, 4 upon 4, 5 upon 5 and 6 upon 6 that is given in the question what we have solved previously. So here it is also given that 1 can be written as 3 upon 3. Why we are choosing 3 upon 3? Because the denominator here is 3. So we can write 3 upon 3 minus 2 upon 3. So these are like fractions. So what we will do, the denominator will be same, and we are supposed to subtract only the numerators. 3 minus 2, that is 1 upon 3. Here again the denominator is same 4, 1 plus 0, that is 1 upon 4. 1 upon 4 plus 0 upon 4. If we add 0 to any of the number, we will get the same number. Here the same thing is there. If we add 0 to any fraction, we will get the same fraction. So like this we are supposed to proceed the questions. After question number 2, we are supposed to discuss question number 3. That question number 3 is the word problem. As I told you previously that you are supposed to have your textbooks with you while watching the video, so that you can also read the questions. So question number 3 is, Shubham painted 2/3 of the wall space in his room. His sister Madhvi helped and painted 1/3 of the wall. How much did they paint together? Shubham painted how much Shubham painted, that is 2 upon 3. Sister painted 1 upon 3. For total we are supposed to add 2 upon 3 plus 1 upon 3. As we can see, both are the like fractions. Why like fraction? Because the denominator is same here, so the denominator will be as it is, and we are supposed to add the numerator. 1 plus 1, that is 2 plus 1, that is 3, 3 upon 3, that is 1. Means they have painted the whole wall. So like this we are supposed to proceed the questions given in this exercise. So you are supposed to complete question number 1, question number 2 and question number 3. You are supposed to repeat that question only, and at the same time, if you have not completed the previous questions of the previous exercises, then you are supposed to try all those questions, so that you can solve the upcoming questions in the upcoming exercises as well. So after completing the questions, you are supposed to take the pic of that, and you are supposed to upload on the school's WhatsApp number. Thank you very much.